Three sisters bought a packet of biscuits for £1.50 and divided them equally among them, each receiving 10 biscuits. However, Anne paid 80 pence, Beatrice paid 50 pence, and Cari paid 20 pence. If the biscuits had been divided in the same ratios as the amounts each sister had paid, how many more biscuits would Anne have received than she did originally? So, the three sisters, they got bought a packet of biscuits and divided them equally. So therefore, so if we have like Anne and we have Beatrice and we have Cari, and they got 10 biscuits each. So 10, 10, and 10 biscuits each. So the ratio obviously was 1 is to 1 is to 1. So in terms of money, they paid 80 and paid 80. So Beatrice pays 50 and Carl pays 20. So the ratio of the amount would be A is to B. So A would be Anne, B would be Beatrice, and Cari would be C, would be 80 is to 50 is to 20, or we could rewrite this as 8 is to 5 is to 2. Now, if you add the total number of biscuits, that would be 30. So the biscuits, how do I say? So biscuits 30 total. And if you are to add the total of this ratio, so you would have a total of 8 plus 5 plus 2, and that would mean 15. So 15 times 2 is 30. So if what we are trying to do is to somehow make the total same. So the total is same, then we can work out the ratio. It would be equal to it would be like proportion to the money that they have paid. So not equal, sorry, proportional to the money they have paid. So then this would be the total is 30. So if I were to multiply this all by 2, so if I were to multiply each of these ratios by 2, I would get 16 is to 25 is to 4. Sorry, not 25. 16 is to 10. 16 is to 10 is to 4. So 16 is to 10 is to 4. If you add them, you get 30. So therefore, if the biscuits had been divided in the same proportion as the money they'd paid, then Anne would get 16 biscuits, Beatrice would get 10 biscuits, and Cari would get 4 biscuits. So if I said Anne is 16 biscuits, and she originally got only 10 biscuits, so therefore the difference, how many more biscuits, that would be 16 minus 10, and that equals 6. So the answer would be 6. That's E.